number 10. Find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by f of x is equal to x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 1, x square plus 1 if x less than 1. So in the 10th question, நம்ம எப்படி பண்றதுன்னு பார்த்துக்கலாம். Exercise 5.1. Question 10. F of x is defined by x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 1. X square plus 1 if x is less than 1. So, இப்போ number line தான் வரைய போறோம். So, draw the number line. Point 1 mark பண்றோம். 1க்கு leftward, the f of x is equal to x square plus 1. So, 1 reach பண்ணல. So, 1க்கு leftward வரைக்கும். And x equal to 1 and right side of 1. So, இந்த placeல ஆரம்பிச்சு right side fill away. X is greater than 1 இருந்தா, so நம்ம f of x value is equal to x plus 1. So நம்ம function defined ஆகிறது இந்த 1ங்கிற point வச்சு மட்டும்தான். So continuity the 1ங்கிற pointல check பண்ணா போதும். So at the point x is equal to 1. So left hand limit first போடுறோம். Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. This equal to limit x tends to 1 minus 1 ஓட left where function x square plus 1. The substitution, put x is equal to 1 minus h as x tends to 1 minus h tends to 0. Therefore, this line becomes limit h tends to 0. For this place x, substitute 1 minus h. 1 minus h the whole square plus 1. So first in the bracket I must simplify பண்ணலாம். This equal to limit h tends to 0. A minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 1. Substitute 0 for h. Second term 0, third term 0. The remaining is 1 plus 1. This equal to 2. So in the left hand limit value is 2. So right hand limit பார்க்கலாம். Right hand limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. 1 plus na 1 rightward approach பண்றோங்கிற meaning. This equal to limit x tends to 1 plus. So 1 உடைய right sideல f of x value is x plus 1. Substitution, put x is equal to 1 plus h as x tends to 1 plus h tends to 0. Therefore, this line becomes limit h tends to 0. For this place x, substitute 1 plus h plus 1. That is 2 plus h. Limit h tends to 0. 2 plus h. H value is 0. The simplified value is 2. So right hand limit is 2. Now find f of 1. So at x is equal to 1. X greater than or equal to 1.
Ma'am?
Yes, Mas?
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, there's an internet problem, ma'am. I have used the mobile data for the school classes, ma'am. Now only I recharge the mobile data.
Okay. Okay, Ma. கவனிங்க. So f of 1, so x is greater than or equal to 1, meaning is f of x is equal to x plus 1. X equal to 1, f of x is equal to x plus 1. So சைடில் எழுதுறேன். நம்மளுடைய f of x வந்து x plus 1. So in the place of x substitute 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So left hand limit is 2, right hand limit is 2, f of 1 is 2. So we conclude that so left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 1, this is equal to 2. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல discontinuity இல்லை. There is therefore there is no point of discontinuity. No point of discontinuity for this function f of x. So doubts இருந்தா கேளுங்கம்மா.